What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big E, and look, we back with another video. Look, man, I just want to say thank you to all the supporters and subscribers that support my channel. Look, I was going back and looking at some of the videos that I had dropped, trying to see which one had got the most views. And I noticed that the day in the life of a log truck driver got 183 views, which I'm well pleased. You know, I'm starting out on YouTube, haven't been really consistent with just dropping videos. But, you know, I know you guys left a couple comments that you wanted more of the long video. So, hey, this day thing. I'm getting ready to, head. I'm loaded now. Getting ready to head to Waynesboro. I live in Mississippi. I live in the southern part of Mississippi. Waynesboro, Hattiesburg, up in that area. I live in College. And so I deliver local. Sometimes I go to Bugaloo, sometimes I go to Alabama. But right now we're headed to Waynesboro, drop a load of logs off on the back. We sitting around about 83,000, I believe. Just guess. I ain't got scale on this truck, so I'm believing this around 83,000. But hey, we're gonna let it ride. You know what I'm saying? We probably about another 15-20 minutes for the video. When we're loaded at this seminary, and man, it's muddy off over there. It was muddy yesterday. We've been getting a lot of rain the last 2-3 days. And so it's real muddy where we've been at. But I was able to pull 3 loads yesterday on top of a bad oil leak that got fixed late last night. So I'm back rolling again today. And hopefully, we have a good day. The average day for a log truck driver is 3 loads. Depending on where you're hauling from. Some places you get 4, 5, 6 loads. They real short loads. I have them pull 6 loads in one day, but like I said, it's a short load. But being a log truck driver, I've been doing it now going on 2 years. Man, I love every bit of it. I did the over the road, and it was cool. It was great to see the world and everything. But I got a wife and kids at home, so I would get in sometime, be gone Monday, come back, make it back sometime Friday night, Saturday morning, something like that. Really ain't got that much time to spend with the family. I got young kids, so they need their daddy. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna get y'all some footage today on while we at the field and stuff like that. Remember in my last video I told you guys about being the #1 truck. When you're the #1 truck, it's easier for you to get your load, and it's easier for you to have a pretty good day, I would say. A good start, put it like that, because it's a race. Every day is a race for you. Getting to the mill is a race for you. Not saying that you drive fast, but time is up there. Time is your biggest enemy out here. Time in the DOT. It depends on what kind of truck you got. I drive a 2006 Freightliner Classic. Haven't had any motor problems with the engine being rebuilt probably about 3 years ago. But I had a couple of re-end problems. And then now I had windshield wiper problems, simple stuff that you can keep going, but that it ain't hurting you. But when you log truck driving, get to the woods, get into the mill, and getting back to the woods is a race. It's a race. Because sometimes you may go sit at the mill. As long as I've sat at a mill, which was the Leaf River in Newark, about 3-4 hours. You know what I'm saying? You can't make no money when you're sitting still at the load and trying to get a load off your back. So it's best the earlier you can get up and get in the woods, and depending on what time your loader man, I got a contact house, I got to get over. Depending on what time your loader man gets to the woods, you know what I'm saying? You can pretty much time that when you first truck. Because I'm telling you, if you're the third or fourth truck, it's going to be harder for you to get your 3 loads. Because the loader man probably want to go home at a certain time, and you probably ain't back in the woods by the time he want to go. So, it's a lot of things you got to really just, think about when you're driving a log truck. And another thing, man, cars. We're talking 4-wheelers, but cars. They really have no idea of capability of this truck. Because man, people have pulled, I done had other truckers pull out in front of you. You know what I'm saying? I done had an accident 3 years back. I inserted it, which was last year. Brakes went out. Luckily, by the grace of God, and I wasn't loaded. I didn't even have my trailer. I had just dropped the loader off in the woods, and I was heading back to go pick up my trailer. But I inserted some pictures in the video so you guys can see it. By the grace of God, I came out with no hurt, damage, nothing. Even the other guy that I hit didn't have any damage. But man, cars pulling out in front of you. Then they want to know they signal light on. I'm sorry, y'all, with the shaking. I got the phone mounted on my dash. I'm in the rough patch of the road. But even when cars want to put out in front of you, they don't understand when you loaded, weighing 80-something thousand pounds, sometimes 90-something thousand pounds. I just can't come to a complete stop. So I feel like they should put truck drivers, well, not just truck drivers, but like people that go to get regular license, they need to learn stuff about 18-wheelers because we just can't stop them people out in front of us. And a lot of times, I've known people that died from trying to swerve off the road, hit another car, and the law come through the truck and kill them. Look, I gotta watch kids go home, so I don't mean no harm to nobody. I don't want to hurt nobody. But if push comes to shove to where I have to ram you in the back because you pulled out in front of me, and instead of me going down in the gutter and missing the chance of these laws in my cab killing me because of a mistake that you made, no, I'm just gonna hit you in the back. Yeah, I know you may hit you with days to come in, but I'm gonna hit you in the back. I gotta get home to my wife and kids every day. And I'm not, don't want to die over a dumb decision that somebody made. But like I said, we probably about 15 minutes out from the mill. I know I was blabbing off at the mile, but you know, if you want to be a long truck driver, you know, and you want to see my experience, everybody's experience is different. You know, but I can give you tips and stuff that I learned over the years I've been long truck driving, you know, to help you out. Even with you going to get your CDL, you know, I can leave a story. I can make a story of how I got my CDL. I mean, it wasn't easy. I didn't know I had to sacrifice some stuff. I lost some stuff just to get my CDL. That's real talk. I mean, I lost some stuff just to get my CDL, man. And bro, that's a story all by itself. But like I said, I thank you guys for watching the video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. You know, another thing about this channel, it's not just gonna be about long truck driving. I'm into cars, I'm into horses, I'm into four-wheelers, I'm into mudding, I'm into a whole fishing, a whole lot of stuff. You know what I'm saying? I don't too much hunt, you know what I'm saying? But I won't do it. I just don't do it. But sorry about that, guys. This channel based on this different stuff, man. You know, I'm opening my life up to you guys. And I really would appreciate it if you like, share, subscribe. You know, that would help me out a whole lot. You know, let's get these followers up. You know what I'm saying? Big E, get back to y'all when we get to the mill. Hopefully I won't have to wait in the bullpen. But if I do, I'll show you what the bullpen is. But look, I'm gonna be back with y'all. Peace. We're at the mill down here with Waynesburg Woods. Just got unloaded. Get ready. Stop at the store, grab me something to eat. You got it, boy. Repeat it all back over again, guys. Yep. Luckily today, the meal wasn't packed out. I was able to go right in, right out. 10 minutes. It's over with. You know what I'm saying? So, good day like that. Now I'm able to go get a second load. It's still ain't even, 9 o'clock yet. So, we're making good time. But hey, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Peace. Here at the, in the woods. You know, getting ready to get loaded again. But if you look down there at that little white spot, you can see a truck down there. It had the hood up, but he just closed it. So, hopefully getting ready to come out. Look like he already loaded. He might have been having a little problem with the engine or something. But hopefully get ready to come on out. I just grabbed me up by the wings and towed them up and a good thing. Get ready to head in when he come out. And pick up our second load for the day. Probably go back to the same spot. I'll give y'all a glimpse where I'm at the bag up. I'm gonna be in his way when he makes his turn right there. But you see how muddy and soupy it is right up in there. It's not like that. Pretty good solid road to go down in there. But a little spot where we turn around there, just kind of, I had to get the skidder to push me around this morning, so hopefully they done grade the road a little bit more, and we getting ready to get this second load. There's a white Freightliner. There's 8-ball, we call them. Been driving log trucks for as long as I've been living. But he's back out here with us today. Freightliner looks pretty good too. Almost identical to this one, but it's just a day cab. Let me bag up, y'all. I gotta bag up so he can make his turn right there. I don't know how the quality of this phone recording with my iPhone 10, but I don't know how good the quality of it is. It looks good on my end. So he can make this turn. Whoa, can't back up too far. Be in the ditch back there. Nice Freightliner. Ain't coming out. It's time for us to go in and get up under this loader. I like driving log truck. Don't see myself really doing nothing else. Which I've been thinking about getting a hot shot truck. Wanted to haul cars, but I don't know. I'll probably get a flatbed trailer. That look like something I'm planning on doing maybe next year. I don't know. And I might just stay in the woods. I don't know. It depends. But yeah, see, we're on a pretty good road, you know. They graded real good, good solid road. Have no problem coming in and out of it. But hey, this is what logging consists of. Now, it been some spots, man, it be so muddy and messy. Can't even get in and out without the help of the dozer or the skidder. Yeah, but this log truck at its finest. Well, logging at its finest. On days like this when I got a lot of rain, a lot of job sites can't work because it's just too muddy. But we're fortunate to have something. So, we're gonna keep it moving. Well, guys, we're stuck right here. Gotta wait for the skidder to come pushing it out. As you can see, that's how I kind of keep it. And, you know, my back tire really ain't stuck. It's probably more like a front. But the skidder gonna come and get me out. We're gonna get up under this loader. You know what I'm saying? Get that money. Get that money, baby. Show y'all how Brian be working that skidder with one hand. I mean that loader with one hand. Be have your ear on the phone. That's all Brian do. Be on the phone, run the load, smoking the cigarette. But yeah, logging. All right, guys. Hey, Cricket. We back in the wood with my 4th load. I done did 4. This is my 4th load. I'm getting ready to go drop it when she finishes loading. I'm getting loaded double bump right now. You know, double bump is when that half of the front 2 racks is loaded, and there's gonna be a gap in between, and those other two right there gonna get loaded half. So it ain't gonna take much because as you can see, they're pretty big. I'm getting ready to scrap my front load down while he's loading the back load. And it's safe to do that because he won't be coming nowhere up in this area. He will constantly be back there. So, look, I'm excited. You know, I pulled him 4 loads. It's been a good day. I almost fell. But I'm getting ready to get this scrap down and we'll get back with y'all. Peace.